Hello everyone, this is April, the artist behind InvokeArtSense. Today we have a video with gouache painting and oil pastels with Lyra aquacolor. But before we get into that, we're going to find out who is the lucky winner of the stickers and the Rapunzel drawing. So we have six entries, and I don't have a bag or anything, but I have this ZenPop box here that I'm just going to put these in like so. Put the 6 entries that we have here, and even though you can't see my face, I'm not looking. I don't know. I'm just going to shake it up a little bit and then pull one, and that's going to be the winner. I'm not looking. So, who is the lucky winner? The lucky winner is Vaakra Art. Sorry if I said your name wrong. So Vaakra Art, I will link my Instagram handle down. You probably already know my Instagram handle. So message me on Instagram and give me your address on Instagram, and then we'll get the stickers and the drawings sent out to you. Congratulations to Vaakra, and let's get started with the paintings of this video. The paintings, I did 2 gouache paintings and a drawing / mixed media gouache painting, and I'm really excited about all 3 of them, and let's get started on that. I'm giving a shout out to Vaakra Art at the end of the video, so please stay tuned for that. And I am doing this in my Moleskin Sketchbook, and I'm almost done with this sketchbook. But I titled this video Sketchbook Habits because I haven't been consistent in doing work sketches in my sketchbook. So I made it a point to do a few spreads off camera and a few spreads on camera. And I wanted to use gouache because gouache works really well in this sketchbook. Watercolor doesn't, but I do have a watercolor sketchbook I need to work on. So I found this Lyra aquacolor, and I bought it in Korea. I didn't even know what it really was for. So it's actually an oil pastel, and I don't really truly like working with oil pastels, but I wanted to do a black and white piece because it gives you a good perspective in your final pieces. And the black and white can also help with building up your contrast and your colors in your paintings or drawings. And a lot of times with reference photos, it's a good idea to make them black and white and print them out like that to get a better idea of what you need to do, how you need to build up your shadows. And I use water with it because it is water soluble. I don't know how it would be with just the regular oil pastels, but it worked out really well. The gouache didn't come up too much, and when it did, it really worked for me because I wanted to make something darker. I used water, and if I wanted something lighter, I went in with more oil pastel, and eventually I built up enough of it where the gouache wouldn't pull up at all. For your sketchbook habits, you should be doing something in your sketchbook every day, making it a point. And please tell me below, which work do you like the best, the first, second, or third one? I really like the social distancing one, and I would love to know which piece you like the best. On these pieces here, I have X's on them because I had written something down and I X'd over it, which is why the yellow didn't work. Yellow is transparent, right? And so I went in with darker colors, and I wanted to do a silhouette painting, which is why I did the both like it is, and that's why I couldn't really use watercolor. And in the sketchbook, watercolor is not that great anyways. Gouache works perfect in a Moleskin sketchbook. So I ended up using blue on the right, by accident. Don't mix complementary colors because it gets muddy. But it made the colors neutral, and I wanted the right to be neutral anyways. So it worked out, my mistake. Like Bob Ross, mistakes make birds out of your, make happy mistakes. And I really like the left painting, but I use the fan brush, but I probably need more brushes. I have a lot of brushes for oil painting, but you cannot mix your brushes with acrylic or watercolor, or vice versa, gouache. Your water-based paints can't be mixed with oil. So I just need to buy some more brushes so I can get more variety in any kind of like leaves I want to do. It got too thick, so I did branches in white instead of black. As I work on the right, and I'm doing, this is called social distancing. Why is it called social distancing? You'll know pretty soon. I did the branches without any leaves because it's supposed to have like a stalk, like a feeling of being enclosed, and the branches do, you know, cross over, and the neutral colors help with the feeling of the mood of this painting. And I paint a bird. Only one bird, because this self-quarantine that we're doing right now, this social distancing, is what it's meant to represent. And I'm finished with both pieces, and I'm just really happy with this. I want to do more pieces, like bigger pieces, working in my watercolor sketchbook or using my watercolor paper, just doing a bigger version of this kind of work. I do want to work on my oil paintings, but working inside right now on a wet day is not a good idea. Also, the smell it does get bad, so I have to work outside on a good day with oil paintings, or when my mom's gone from the house. But right now with the self-quarantine, she is always here, so that's not possible. Thank you everyone from the bottom of my heart. Right now I have 276 subscribers, and I appreciate all the support and love I get from every single one of you. And 2020 right now is tough for everyone in the United States and across the world, and hopefully this year ends very well, and I have very good positive vibes about it. And in each of my videos from now on, I will be promoting someone, giving a shout out to someone in the art community. Could be from YouTube or Instagram, or maybe even Facebook. But for this video, the winner of the video is getting a shout out. So let's look at her Instagram. So Vaakra Art, everyone should, you know, go to her page and follow her. She is a great artist. Here's her Instagram. She only has 17 followers. She needs more. She's a great artist, as you can see from the images that you see here. She does a lot of imagery work and a lot of scenery, a lot of imagery and fantasy related images that you see, digital and traditional work. I really love her color pencil work that she does here, and she also has a Facebook. So you should follow her. She's at Vaakra Art at every one of them. Well, also you should follow me. I'm at InvokeArtSense and InvokeArtSense on Facebook as well. She's also on YouTube. Just search for Vaakra Art and you can find her. She needs love and support from the art community. So thank you for watching this video, and like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see you next time for the next exciting video. Congratulations, Vaakra, and goodbye everyone.